Build a ukulele, an easy guide for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, build a ukulele. This phrase is not just about constructing a musical instrument. It's also a great way to understand English verbs and nouns in a fun context. So, let's dive in and learn while having some fun. The phrase, build a ukulele, combines a verb and a noun. Build is a verb that means to construct or make something. A ukulele is a small, guitar-like instrument. Together, the phrase means to create a ukulele from its parts. It's a practical example of how English blends words to convey a specific action. In English, context can change the meaning of a phrase. Build a ukulele could be literal, or it could be metaphorical, meaning to create something harmoniously. We'll see how this phrase can be used in different contexts, making English a versatile and fun language to learn. Let's put our phrase into practice. We will go through a step-by-step process of how one would build a ukulele in real life. This will help you understand the sequence of actions described in English and the specific vocabulary associated with this task. The ukulele has cultural significance, especially in Hawaiian culture. Understanding such nuances adds depth to learning a language. We'll explore how the ukulele is viewed in different cultures and how language intertwines with cultural identity. When learning a new language, mistakes are common. We'll cover some typical errors learners might make when interpreting phrases like, build a ukulele, such as confusing it with similar-sounding words or misinterpreting the action. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, build a ukulele. Remember, learning English is not just about the words, but also about understanding the culture and context. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.